In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to store files in Google Cloud Storage using the Web Console. This is one of the most straightforward and visual ways to manage your files in the cloud, making it user-friendly for both beginners and experienced users alike. To begin, we'll start by navigating to the Google Cloud Console. If you're not already familiar with this platform, think of it as the control center for all your Google Cloud services. Once you're logged in, locate Cloud Storage from the menu. This is where all your storage actions will take place. You'll be directed to the Buckets section, which can be imagined as containers where your files, often referred to as objects, will be stored. Next, the choice is yours. Select an existing bucket if you have one, or create a new one. If you're creating a new bucket, it's vital to think about a few things. Naming conventions, for example, are important. You'll need a unique name for each bucket. Consider what data will be stored in it, and whether there are specific regional preferences for better performance or compliance requirements. Once you've selected or created a bucket, click on it to open the Objects tab. This is where the magic happens. Here, you'll have a couple of options for uploading your files. One of the easiest methods is to drag and drop files or folders directly into the window. This method is particularly useful if you prefer a more hands-on approach and are dealing with a smaller number of items or want an immediate view of the file movement. If you prefer navigating to files instead, that's an option too. Just click on the Upload button and then select Upload Files. This will open your File Explorer, allowing you to browse your computer for the files you wish to store. Once you've made your selection, click Open, and the upload process will commence. It's always reassuring to see progress, and Google Cloud's Web Console provides a clear status update of your upload. You'll be able to see the progress bar, giving you real-time updates on how much data has been transferred and how much remains. This can be particularly comforting when handling larger files or when working over a less than reliable internet connection. And there you have it. By using the Google Cloud Web Console, storing your files becomes a seamless process. You'll now have access to your data wherever you are, secure in the knowledge that your files are just a few clicks away in Google Cloud Storage. Remember, mastering these basics opens up a world of possibilities for cloud computing. Keep exploring, and you'll discover even more powerful features that Google Cloud has to offer.